and welcome to our next Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how you can start a three-party conference call with a phone app and the Softphone app. You are already in a call. Now, click onto the button Start Consultation. Via the entry field, you can search for a destination, or you can enter the destination phone number directly. Start the call by clicking onto the green handset symbol. If you want to, you can also directly select one of your favorites or one of the destinations displayed in the call history. Your first call will be placed on hold, and this contact will be hearing music while the call is being held. As soon as the second call is established, you can start the three-party call conference by clicking onto the conference button next to the call that is being held. The button has a triangular symbol, 3 dots connected by lines. Now, the three-party conference is established and you are connected with the other two destinations. You can end the three-party conference by clicking onto the red handset button next to one of the established calls. This will terminate the selected call while the other call will remain connected. Or you can cancel the three-party conference by putting one of the two calls back on hold. Click on the hold button next to the call that you would like to put on hold. You will be in consultation with only one of the two contacts. You can switch between the calls as often as you please. Simply press the hold button with the blue background next to the call placed on hold. This will activate the call again. You will reactivate the three-party call again by clicking onto the three-party conference button, the triangle with the 3 dots. Many thanks for watching and see you next time.